Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will read the reader The Magic Key. Let's start the reader. Page number 1. We will discuss the picture first. What do you see in this picture? Yes, there is a pink box and the box is not closed, little bit opened, and the light is coming out from this pink box. There is a lamp on the table and the color of the lamp is yellow. Very nice. And there is a toy on the table, and under the table we can see some books. Can you see these books? Yes, there are some books under the table, and there is a picture hanging on the wall. And who is sleeping here in the bed? This is Chip. The Chip is sleeping in the bed and he's holding a toy. I think most probably it is a cat. Yes, he's holding a cat. Let's read the reader. The box was by chips bed. The box was by Chip's bed. So where's the box? The box is on the table and it is near the bed. Something was glowing. Something was glowing inside it. Something was glowing inside it. What do you see in the box? What is coming out of the box? Something is glowing. Bright light is coming out of this pink box. Maybe something happening. What is inside the box? Why it is glowing? There are many questions which we can infer while reading the text and while looking at the picture. We have to discuss it. What is inside this pink box? There is something wrong. There is something fishy. Why the light is coming out from this pink box? What is happening in the box? These are the questions which we will discuss later on, right? Now page number 2. This is page number 2. We will discuss the picture again. Wow, what do you see here? The pink box a little bit more open. And what is coming out? The heavy bright light is coming out from this pink box. And what is this? Yellow lamp and toy, and again we can see some books under the table, and there is a picture hanging on the wall. What is the difference? The Chip was sleeping earlier, and what happened here? The Chip is, why the mouth of the Chip is opened? Yes, tell me why. Very nice, because he's shocked. He's surprised to see the box and to see the light that is coming out from this box. The Chip is little bit nervous. He is shocked. He is little bit scared. Okay, what is happening in my room? And who is this? This is a stuffed toy. It is cat. Now let's start the reading. Chip looked. Chip looked at the box. Chip looked at the box. So Chip looked at the box with surprise. Okay, what is coming out from this pink box? It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. So do you think there is a difference between the alphabet? Why we are pronouncing it? The sound of the G is here, J. Why we are not pronouncing the sound of G, G? Because the G has two sounds, J and G. We are using here the sound J. It's magic. He said. It's magic. So the Chip is surprised here and he said, something is happening here in this pink box. It's magic. It was not closed. It was opened and now the light is coming out from this pink box. He is little bit shocked and he is surprised. He said there's something going on in this box. What is happening in this box? It's magic. We will read in the next pages what is happening. So please children, read the page and read with your parents and enjoy the reading. Best of luck.